Good morning. Today's topic is interpersonal psychotherapy. Under the treatment modalities in the psychiatry, we'll discuss the interpersonal psychotherapy. You can log on the our university website www.tatauniversity.com. E-contents are available, and you can see our YouTube channel, Tata University YouTube channel. Very valuable lectures are on this YouTube channel and Tata University website. So today we'll focus on the interpersonal psychotherapy. So interpersonal psychotherapy is the term that is used first of all by J.L. Morena for a type of psychotherapy in which there is emphasis on the interpersonal relationship of the various person involved, such as husband, wife, and one and more other parties. This interpersonal psychotherapy is three types: marital psychotherapy, family therapy, transactional analysis. First is the marital therapy. This psychotherapy is directed at improving a disturbed marital relationship. So name it indicates marital therapy. It is used for disturbed marital relationship. It is concentrate on efforts to change the psychodynamics and behavior for the partner. The sessions are usually conjoint. In a conjoint session, two or more partners meet the therapist in a joint session. Marital therapy may be conducted on a problem solving level in which grievances are aired. For example, the husband may say during the session, "She does not have any complaint against me, but still she is not happy. That makes me uncomfortable." During the session, the wife may start crying and confess, "Often I wanted to reply him back, but seeing his anger and children around me, I have been withdrawing into silence. But what's the use of the talking?" Second is the family therapy. Family therapy is that branch of the psychiatry which see an individual psychiatric symptoms in separately related to the family in which he lives. Thus, the focus of the treatment is not individual but the entire family. It is a form of group psychotherapy in which the family is a therapeutic unit. Family is a matrix out of which all human interactions develop. The objective of family therapy is not merely to improve relationship but to modify harm influences that contribute to the disorder of one or more family members. Family therapy is indicated where it is useful whenever there are relational problems within a family or marital unit, which can occur in almost all type of the psychiatric problems, include psychosis or reactive depression, anxiety disorder, psychosomatic disorder, substance abuse, and various childhood psychiatric problems. The component of this family therapy: first of all, assessment of family structure, roles, boundaries, resources, communication pattern, problem solving skills, teaching the communication skills, teaching problem solving skills, writing a behavioral marital contract, and some assignments are given. Selection of the patient for the family therapy: families may be referred for the treatment by private physician agencies such as the school system. Some families are referred for therapy for emergency room psychiatric services after a visit caused by a crisis in the family, such as the drug overdose. Family therapy is the treatment of the choice when there is a marital problem or sibling conflicts are there. Family therapy may also be indicated when problems are caused by using one child as the scapegoat. Situational crisis such as sudden death of a family member, maturational crisis such as the birth of the first child may cause the sufficient stress. Types of the family therapy: There are six type of the family therapy are there. Individual family therapy. Second one, the conjoined family therapy. Third one, couple therapy. Fourth one, the multiple family group therapy. Fifth one, multiple impact therapy. And last sixth one, the network therapy. In individual family therapy and individual family therapy, such as family members has a single therapist, the whole family may meet occasionally with one or two of the therapists to see how the members are relating to one another. In conjoined family therapy, the most common type of the family therapy, the single family group or conjoined family therapy, the nuclear family is seen. The issues and problems raised by the family are the one addressed by the therapist. The way in which the family members are interact with each other is observed, become the focus of the therapy. The therapist help the family deal more effective with problem as the raised and defined. In couple therapy, couples are often seen by the therapist together. The couples may be experience difficulty in their marriage. In this therapy, they are helped to work together to see a resolution of their problem. Family pattern, interaction, communication styles, each partner's goal, hopes, and expectations are examined in this therapy. Multiple family group therapy, the fourth type of the family therapy. In multiple family group therapy, 4 or 5 families meet weekly and deal with the problem or issue they have in the common. So these all family have the common problem and they consult with the therapist. Ability or inability to function well in the home community, fear to talking, relating to others, abuse, anger, neglected the development of social skills, responsibility for oneself are some of the issues on which these groups focus. The multiple family group becomes the support for all families. Multiple impact therapy. In multiple impact therapy, several therapists come together with the family in a community setting. They live together and deal with the issue for each family members within the context of the group. Multiple impact therapy is similar to multiple family group therapy except that it is more intense and time limited. Network therapy is conducted in people's homes. All individuals interested they have the common problem or in the crisis situation, particular person or the person of the family or experience that they can take part. This gathering includes family, friends, neighbors, professional group, anyone in the community, people who from the network generally know each other, interact on a regular basis in each other. Thus the network may include as 40 to 60 people. Last type of the therapy under this interpersonal psychotherapy is the transactional analysis. In transactional analysis, it is observed how the people is communicate with each other. It is a form of interpersonal psychotherapy which focus on the characteristics interaction that reveal internal ego state. The game people play, the ego state of the child, adult, and the parent. One parent is the part of our behavior which we have learned from other or our parents. The example, go to sleep now is the example of our parent talking. This statement is an adult is if used for another adult like wife or husband creates a problem. Being an adult, the wife may start crying. Or adult, individual wife may reply to her husband, I will sleep after some time. In transactional analysis, the therapist analyzes the interaction among the group members, help the participants under the ego state in which they are communicating with each other. Thank you.